Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And oh my god, just look at the portfolio. It's finally breaking above the all-time high. Look at this. In February 19th last year, we were up to $41,787 before the pandemic and before the big crash, the super insane crash that basically lasted 1 month, which destroyed my portfolio, took out well over freaking 50% of my portfolio. How much did it take out? It took out 2/3 of my portfolio out, and we're finally back. And at one point, we were up to $42,300. So during the day, I was actually working. So I made a video during lunch. So around 11 o'clock, I was like, "Oh yes, we're almost gonna hit 40K. We might hit 40,000 tomorrow or in the next few weeks, unless there's like a little pullback, which is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a pull. I was expecting a pullback today, considering that yesterday we were up 36,000. The day before that, I was like, okay, cool, but this is good. We're at 33,000. Then the next day we're at 36,000. Then the next day we're at freaking 40,000, 42,000, and now this is just insane. I wasn't expecting this at all, and it's mainly because finally Neil is awake and Aphria just does is not slowing down. Aphria has not slowed down at all. And the other video I was contemplating selling it. Like a good thing I didn't sell it. Cause holy crap. I was saying that this one was gonna hit $20 yesterday, or this around here. I was like, this is gonna hit $20. Maybe today or tomorrow. It's $20 and it goes right past $20 and it's going basically going almost past $30. Like, what is going on with this freaking thing? Oh my god. I was expecting it to hit $20 by the end of the year, not by the end of the or the second month of the year. And it's not even slowing down. I was like, oh my god, look at this thing. Is it gonna pull back tomorrow? Because it's already up so much. It's just this 1 week. It's almost doubled in 1 week. And 1 month, it basically all tripled up. Just look at these gains. And after hours, it just keeps it just not stopping. Oh my god. Even after this, I was like, okay, cool, beautiful. $26, relax. It's gonna hit $28. And tomorrow it could even hit $30. Oh my god, dude, $30. That's insane. This look at this one was how much money did I have on this before? 420. I had about oh my god, I had about only like $2,800 in this one by itself when I started. Now it's at 11,600 total equity. This one's gonna rival my biggest position in Neo soon, and I haven't even added it to a position. Jesus Christ. And I know for a fact that if Aphria stays around this price by tomorrow morning, my portfolio is going to go even up more because it hasn't even accounted the gains after hours for my call option. And my option's doing insane. My option's up 400%. It's up freaking up 44% today, and then most likely will be up double digits tomorrow if it doesn't have a pullback. And my portfolio is only going up way more because Neil actually decided to wake up a little bit and go up over $60. It's over $62 now. And I believe Neil will rocket past its all-time highs by the end of the month. And that means only one thing, that the portfolio is only going to go up even more unless there's a big freaking correction that comes up. And I don't even mind that because I was expecting a correction since I was at $33,000. I've been expecting a correction since I was here. I'm like, oh my god, I made so much money already. And look at that, it just keeps going up even more. It's only giving me more time to be able to work a little bit more to stack my money up. And I'm still waiting for my freaking taxes to come in for my Robinhood. Because once that's done, then I don't have to worry about anything else for the rest of the year. Just pay my bills and then add to my Robinhood portfolio. Because the more my Robinhood portfolio goes up, look at it, my margin's going, like, in percentage wise, my margin's going down. Because the more my portfolio goes up, like I said, I wanted to be under 30%. Well, I'm under 30% right now of margin just because my portfolio is up. And I was planning to, and once I did my taxes, and after that, I was planning to add about 1,000, maybe to $1,500 cash to bring it down even more, and to maybe hopefully slowly bring it down to under $10,000. And then if there's any correction, I'll be able to use a little bit more margin and then pay it off slowly over time. But just look at that. This is what happens when my top four holdings are up over 5%. Look at the percentages. 6% on Neo, 25% on Aphria, plus 16% after hours. This baby's gonna hit $30 soon. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, I've been telling you guys whenever there's dips to get it. And I've been saying Aphria was like gonna pull back for a while and it has not moved. It's been stagnated for a little bit, but it did not go down at all. Look at this. Oh my god. That's just straight up rocket ship just going straight up. Shopify is deciding to wake up now. Corsair Gaming was the only one that did really bad today. I did buy one share, and then it's deciding to go back up. It was doing very well in the beginning of the day. Long term, doesn't even matter. MP Materials, oh my god. All the portfolio is doing very well. Then these ones, and then it's funny because the ones that hold the least amount are actually ones that are in red, and the ones that hold the most of the amount are the ones that are green by a lot. Oh my god. So look at that. This is just crazy. At one point I was up $6,000 today. I'm just gonna put that as the title because you know what, that's just amazing. And we'll see tomorrow what happens. If there's another green day, or if we're finally gonna have a little bit of a pullback in this portfolio, because honestly I wouldn't even mind it that much. Get a little bit of red, have some um, healthy pullback. Because I believe the more higher we go, the harder the drop's going to be whenever the disc decides to drop. But let me know how you guys did today. I was not expecting this at all. And when I was working, I was surprised. When I got out of work, I checked. Because when I made my last video during lunch, I'm like, oh, this is a good day. I'm up $3,000. Woo! Little did I know that even after that, I was going to keep going up even more. Because usually, like, once it goes up, there's always a leg up, and then it just stays around the same price, but it actually kept trending upwards. And yeah. And I'm sorry I sound a little bit weird. I just actually just woke up from my freaking nap. I got out of work. I went straight to bed because I was sleepy. But hopefully you guys are doing good because, oh my god, my goal was to hit 50K by the end of the year. And I haven't even deposited anything because I would think I was going to be able to average about anywhere from $800 to $1,200 of just depositing money of my own. So I know for a fact I can hit 50K if we even stay like this for the rest of the year. I can just deposit the rest of it. And whenever there is red, we just buy some shares, get our share counts up. Because I still believe Neo will be $100 plus stock by the end of the year. Aphria, I have no idea, man. It's hard to tell. I'm not gonna sell this one at all because I believe Aphria with their merger with Tilray, it's gonna be one of the biggest cannabis companies in the cannabis industry right now. It's a baby. Like this is a long term hold. Same thing with my call option. This baby expires 2023. I'm gonna hold it for the long run. Like this one has potential to keep going up more and more and more. We still don't even know what the potential is, right? But once the United States does decide to legalize it, which it's already starting to do, then sky's the limit, and we're already seeing a glimpse of it. I won't be surprised long term if Aphria doubles or triples up from where it is right now. Like I won't be surprised if this is a $20 billion company. Because you know what, whoever the leader is in this space is gonna deserve that premium, just like how Tesla is. Even though Tesla's a freaking tech company, Aphria is gonna be a cannabis company. It's different, but it's gonna be kind of the same thing where it's gonna deserve that premium. It's gonna be the top dog in its space, and it's gonna deserve its respect. Same thing, Shopify. Shopify, I'm telling you, has a lot of potential. I think this is a $10,000 price for its stock. If it doesn't split up, I think it will split up. Shopify is $10,000. It's gonna be a pretty penny to pay. Same thing with Jumia. I think this one has lots of potential. Could hit 20 billion market cap this year, honestly, depending on how the numbers go for the earnings. like I said, this one could easily hit $100 to $120 this year alone, and then rock it up even more. And these baby right here, lots of potential. Price targets, I'll give you the price targets, 100 plus. I thought this would be hit $20. I don't know. I'll give it to a $35 price target for the end of the year. And if it hits that, that's good enough. Shopify for the end of the year, maybe $2,000. I'm just giving you guys some numbers of what I think. Do me 100 plus, easy. If there's no crashes. MP Materials, I'll give you a $60 price target. Tesla, 1,000 to 1,200. Dropbox, $30. Beyond Meat, 240. IRPR, 250. And that's all my price targets for my stocks. Portfolio's looking beautiful. Hopefully you guys are doing great. Let's make this money. Let's get to that 50K mark, and let's get to 100,000. Let's get to 1 million. Let's get to 10 million. All right. See you guys tomorrow.